Hello everyone, Aston here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Aston Martin V12 Speedster. So this is number 9 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Factory Fresh. Let's go ahead and open this up. So we've seen this casting released twice previously. So this is the third time it released. No, it's actually fourth time. So it released 3 times previously. First one was in more of like a silver, similar to James Bond's silver, the DB5, and then we had the white, which not many people liked, and then we had the red edition's maroon. No, it's actually red. The red Aston Martin Vantage, and now we see it return in matte black. So let's take a look at the car itself. So here is the Aston Martin Vantage V12 here in this awesome looking matte black. Looks pretty great. So starting off at the side, we have these 5-spoke rims. Looks pretty great in gray. Clean on the side, of course. We have the headlights, which is awesome. Then we have the front grille, which is in gray, similar to the interior. Sorry. So yeah, this is the car without the windshield actually. Yeah, this car has no windshield, like I said in my previous Vantage reviews. This does not have a windshield, similar to the McLaren Elva. So yeah, the interior is great, by the way. Moving on to the back, we have the rear lights, which are awesome. We have the license plate, which states there V12. Yeah, looks pretty nice actually. I like it in matte black. Moving on to the base. Let's see here. Aston Martin V12 Speedster. Oh, it's not a Vantage, sorry, I said Vantage just now. So it's actually V12 Speedster, sorry. My bad. Made in Malaysia, 2021 Mattel. So this car, if you already have the gray version, I highly recommend you to get this one. Even though you already have a bunch of these, I highly recommend the matte black version because the matte black looks extremely good. Not only is in matte black, and then it looks better in this color and looks much more cleaner than the other colors actually. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.